I'm going to skip some of these questions, but okay, bare minimum, okay, you need to know how to find and label, identify one interior angle at the very least. So interior angles are found at the intersection between two sides. You go arc, you put an eye there. We know that you know where an interior angle is located, okay? Label one exterior angle. You take one of the sides and you just extend one of the sides like this, make an arc like that. That is one exterior angle. Label one central angle. You go to the center, you take one of the sides, and that's your pizza slice right there. And you put a C there. So ice, those three angles you're supposed to identify, okay? The rest I'm not gonna do. The answer is already there. How many sides does this polygon have? Is this 11? 11? Okay. So you just have to make sure you use the formulas accordingly. Let's skip to the last one. This one here on that page. I kind of started this already yesterday. If the province asks you find angle A, you're supposed to realize that this is what kind of angle? This is the interior angle of this big polygon here. Okay? So if we count the number of sides, let me see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So n is equal to 15 here. 15. Do you want to just go behind, Maggie? Just the seat behind? That one is open today. There you go. N is equal to 15. So 15 sides, okay? So angle A is going to be found by going, let's just go equals n minus 2 times 180 divided by n, correct? Angle A is 15 minus 2 times 180 divided by 15. That's 13 times 180 divided by 15, like that. And what is this? I'm just going to look at my key for this one, because I don't have a whole lot of time to do all of that. I think I get 156, yeah, 156 degrees. The more sides this thing has, guys, the bigger your interior angle is going to be. Does that make sense? It's going to start looking like a circle. The more sides you add, this thing, the angle gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, right? It can't be 180 because then you have a straight line. That's not going to happen, but you're going to get close to it. C, angle C is an exterior angle. It's an exterior angle. So angle C, there's two ways to find it. It's 360 divided by n. Okay. That is 24. Okay. Or, okay, now maybe it's getting a little confusing. You're like, wait a minute, Mr. Erickson, you said angle C is the central angle. Normally, yes, but right now, they've given different variables, right? So don't mix them up. This is an exterior angle in this case. So the other method of finding angle C, this one right here, is angle C is 180 minus 156, which is also 24. Okay? So 24 it is, regardless of which method you use to find it. Okay? Next, angle B. Angle B is the equivalent of 2 times whatever the central angle is. Because I already showed you yesterday that B is made up of 2 central angles. So that's 2 times, let's figure out what a central angle is. What is a central angle? I'll do that on the side here. Central angle is 360 divided by 15. That is going to be equal to 24. So it's 2 times 24 degrees, right? This 24 comes in there, and it's 48 degrees altogether. Okay, so angle B is 48 degrees, and there you have it. Okay? Good? Fun stuff? All right, keep going. Here's something, I'm not going to fill in this table, but I want you to take note of the prefixes. Prefixes. Page 53. The number of sides and the name for it, right? The prefix matches it, right? Like a 3-sided polygon would be a triangle. A 4-sided polygon would be called a quadrilateral. A 5, here's where it starts to get interesting. 5 is penta, 6 is hexagon, right? Heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, and dodecagon. And you might wonder what happened to the 11. I don't know. Must have been on a Friday at 3:30. And they're like, we need another name. We need another name. And they didn't bother with 11, so they just did 12. But these are the names that you need to know, okay? Because they have in the past, let's say you solve for the number of sides and it's 8. You're supposed to know that that's called an octagon. So I will just say this. Have these prefixes either memorized or have them somewhere. These are polygons, right? Polygons that have a specific name. So I would say add that to your study sheet if you need it, if you have room, okay? Next, working backwards. This is new, so I'm going to actually